Today, the four-eyed skull doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So, start off, I always start off with the airbrush tool, and I always just kind of do a really rough to kind of get my idea on the page, and then I go over it with the tapered pen inker to kind of finalize it. But truth be told, I actually did this in another version earlier, but somehow or another the files were corrupted when I did the conversion or something or another. I don't know. When I went to create this video, the original version of this did not work. So I had to totally start from scratch. Well, not from scratch, but I had to redraw the whole thing. So this is my four-eyed skull take 2 of this. And with this one, I kept it pretty straightforward. Skull, I like doing skulls. This one has 4 eyes. For some reason, I kept the very first airbrush rough that I did still visible pretty much through the end of this. But with this one, straight colors, flat colors, no gradations, just me using full-on colors to do some type of shading. But threw on a yellow background, some splotches, and there you go. Comment, like, subscribe. I hope you like this one. I'll see you. Thanks.